when you have these questions, you need to match the options A, B, C, D for 16, 17, whatever. The questions will come in sequence. Like first, they're going to talk about railway station, car park, then cinema, and then whatever the things are written. But the things which are written in the this bracket as plans, they are not going to use the ditto, sentence or the words written over there. They're going to paraphrase. What they're going to do, they're going to elaborate the meaning, but they're going to keep the meaning same, but they're going to change the wordings. For example, C, it is written, it will be refurbished. Instead of refurbished, maybe they can, or he or she can say, it is renovated or it is rebuilt. Are you getting me?
हाँ
Something
जी.
like that. And over here, they always change their answer. What they say, the opening hours have extended, but now they have, she gonna put some other clause. So make sure that whatever you are listening till end in a sense. Let's say she is giving all the information for question number 16, railway station park, car park, right? You are hearing the things, and if you think that this is the answer, what you people generally do, you stop listening and you start moving or looking for the answer for the 17th one. Don't do this stupidity till you hear the word cinema. She or he will be giving all the information for question number 16 only. And the minute you hear the word cinema, that means now the information is there for question number 17. And then she or he will keep on giving the information till you hear the word indoor market. Getting it, Kashika, what I want to tell
हाँ
you?
जी. हाँ जी. हाँ जी.
So you need to be very careful in this sense as well. Are you getting me? The first important thing is that whatever they are going to say from the bracket, they are not going to use the ditto word. And the second thing is you need to hear the information till end. Don't leave it in between. Don't think that I've got the answer. Okay, let's move to the other one. Don't. This is this mistake which you people do, and you get wrong answers over here.